And whilst we're doing covers for Liverpool, we'd like to do another one now. This is a David Bowie song we did for a B-side called In the Heat of the Morning.
Of